Do we take it for granted that we can choose a certain temperature to store food, to keep cool when it's warm, and warm when it's cold? Could we live without that certain temperature? Can we live with it? Is it green enough? With roots in the north, we have learned to hush the winds and waves, and to balance and control the extremes of heat and cold. To survive, to grow, and to prosper. And for all life to happen, we need that certain temperature. For centuries, we have strived to increase the quality of life everywhere. But how could we create refrigeration and air conditioning that's energy efficient and safe for the planet? As one of the global leading providers of temperature control solutions, we challenged ourselves. Together with leading product suppliers close to our heart, we developed a new type of green technology based on eco-friendly refrigerants. By having an award-winning education academy, a smart digital infrastructure with e-commerce, and one of the world's most efficient and reliable supply chains, we spread this technology and knowledge to every corner of the world. We have the power to make a difference. So let us achieve that certain temperature in a green way. It's our future.